In today's video, I will walk you through how to add average true range, or ATR, in Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Robinhood Legend from the official Robinhood platform and go into your chart workspace where your trading layout is already prepared. Once your chart is visible, move to the upper right-hand corner of the screen and look for the indicators icon located just below the Add Widget button. Click on the indicators icon to open the indicators panel. Inside the indicators panel, click Add Indicator to open the full list of available indicators. After the list appears, you can scroll through the available options manually or use the search box at the top of the panel. Click on the search field and type ATR to locate the indicator more quickly. Once you see ATR in the list, click on it to add it to your chart. The indicator will be applied automatically and will appear directly on your active chart once selected. You will now see the ATR indicator displayed on your chart, confirming that it has been successfully added to your workspace. Next to the indicator name, click Settings to open the Customization menu. Inside the Settings menu, you will see the available options for adjusting the ATR indicator. Click through the settings and adjust the available controls based on your chart preferences. As you make changes, the updates will automatically reflect on your chart in real time, so you can immediately preview how the indicator looks with your selected adjustments. The ATR indicator will remain active on your chart as you continue working inside Robinhood Legend. You can reopen the settings menu at any time to make additional adjustments whenever needed. If you want to modify the display again later, return to the indicators panel and open the settings from there. That is how you add and customize the average true range, or ATR indicator, in Robinhood Legend.